I'm Dr. Deuk. I'm sitting with one of my patients who had life-changing surgery yesterday. She's crying because she has, I believe, tears of joy, and she wants to share her story with you. How long have you had thoracic spine pain for?
Over a year now.
How did it happen?
I got into a decent motor vehicle accident on September 12th of 2022
And that was in California where you live?
in California.
And you've been in pain since then?
Since then.
What did the doctors in California do for you?
I've seen 4 different neurosurgeons. All 4 had a different opinion of wanting to do surgery. I was too young for surgery, and majority vote was to seek out pain management for the rest of my life.
Pain management for the rest of your life. And how did that make you feel?
Like my life was over. I went from being gym rat, as you call it, and 4 different softball teams. I was an athlete, I was a coach, worked out 5 days a week, to not being able to do anything.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Where did that leave you in terms of options?
A lot of depression, a lot of mental. This is my new life. Deal with it. There was no help. And expect you to live on pain medicine the rest of your life.
So how did you find Deuk Spine?
I had pretty much personally given up. I felt I had tried every option in California. I had no idea going out of state was even an option. Thanks to my husband, he is the one that dug and said, I'm not quitting. There's got to be another option. There's got to be another person. There's got to be another opinion. He searched and found a old YouTube video of someone with the same T7 injury that I had. And he said, we're going here.
To Deuk Spine Institute.
Yes.
And you did. We did our MRI review with you, and we identified several discs in your thoracic spine that were probably causing pain. And when you got here on Monday, we did a special x-ray, didn't we?
Yes.
To help localize which of those discs were causing the most pain.
Yes.
And we figured out it was 2 of them that were really bad, causing most of your symptoms. And you had your surgery just yesterday, didn't you? You can see in the surgery, we made 2 little 7mm 1/4-inch incisions. We went in with the scope and the laser, and we cleaned out the herniations that were causing all of that pain that you've been suffering with. How do you feel today?
Like a whole different person. I got out of surgery yesterday and just cried.
Cried because the pain was gone.
It was gone.
Yeah. And that's a pretty big deal, isn't it?
Like you wouldn't believe.
Oh, I understand. That's why I chose to do what I do, to end people's suffering. Where other doctors fail, we can help people. So the pain you had that was unbearable is now gone.
It's gone.
And is your husband happy about that?
It was very emotional last night. And he said, are you crying because you're hurting? And I said, no, I'm crying because I'm not in pain anymore.
It's impressive. So if you had to do it all over again at Deuk Spine, would you?
1000%. I don't regret a day of it, any of it.
Well, I'm hoping someday this technology will spread and other doctors will be able to do this procedure to help people with thoracic disc pain. You had those herniations just ruining your life, and now you have a new life to look forward to. What are you looking forward to the most?
Being the parent I once was with my 3 kids.
Yeah.
Going to the gym again, not waking up in excruciating pain, and just living a normal life that I once had.
Did you talk to your kids?
Not yet.
You haven't? Okay.
No.
Well, and by the way, we don't have you on any medication, so you're not on pain meds, are you?
No.
We didn't give you powerful narcotics to kill your pain. You had propofol sedation. For those of you who don't know what propofol is, it's not a painkiller. It just makes you sleep. So when you wake up, whatever pain you have, you have. There's no pain meds used at Deuk Spine after surgery. We want our patients, we want them to experience what life is like without pain medication and no pain.
We accomplished that.
Anything else you want to tell your fans out there or family?
If you're in pain, this is the place to go.
When do you travel back home?
Today at 5 o'clock.
All right, so we got to get you out of here.
Yeah.
All right, congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you.